How to pre-bid on an item and whatnot before the auction start. Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to taste such pre-bid before the live auction. So first of all, let's open up the whatnot application and basically go over to the upcoming show. So we can look out for the upcoming show, for example, comics upcoming show. You can look out for the live shows here and scroll down until it finishes. And when we scroll down, we'll be finding upcoming shows available with all of the products. So find the item in the seller auctions lineup. If listed ahead of time, we can just go over and find it up, and we can directly look out for the option called buy now, etc. and go ahead and tap on it, or something like pre-bid, etc. and just go over and provide it up and go ahead and confirm up your purchase. You can enter up your maximum bid amount, select up a pre-bid or similar option, and just go over and bid with the certain products. If someone bids higher during the live auction, the system will automatically increase your bid up to your max. That is it. And if no one outbids you, you win at the lowest possible price. If someone bids more than your max, you're automatically outbidded, but you can still join their live and increase your bid manually. And that's it, everybody. You can follow this method if you want to pre-bid on an item and whatnot. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.